When people hear the word porcelain, they usually think of intricate but extremely delicate Chinese vases and figurines from the Ming Dynasty. Why would anyone think of using this supposedly fragile material for such high-traffic items as floor tiles? Well, think again. In Lebanon, Tennessee, the artisans and technicians at American Wonder Porcelain are producing fashionable works of art that are not only beautiful and extremely durable, but they're also made in the good old USA.
Hello, I'm Michael Kephart, the president of American Wonder Porcelain. Welcome to our brand new manufacturing facility here in Lebanon, Tennessee. We're very proud that our tile is made in the USA by American labor.
Porcelain isn't just for teacups and bathroom fixtures anymore.
Well, porcelain is typically thought of as fine china, very delicate statues, beautiful dishes, but porcelain actually is very durable. It's very beautiful as well, so you can have a gorgeous product. We do everything from fabric or textile looks, which are very trendy right now, metals, stones, traditional terracotta looks, to very traditional marbles.
The artisans at American Wonder Porcelain use nature as inspiration when developing new products.
Our source of inspiration is natural looking products. Take it from the natural stones, wood, fabrics, cement, and anything you want, we can make it. We make porcelain tiles in this factory. We create the designs ourselves and from the natural inspirations.
Porcelain doesn't occur naturally in nature. It has to be created using materials like clay, bone ash, glass, and feldspar.
Once the file is in the computer, I can create the colors and fix all the imperfections that I can see before it gets to the laboratory for development. Right now, I'm working on a wood concept and I've already fixed the imperfections. Now it's time to work on the colors. I think it's a little bit yellow on my screen, so let's make it a little bit more rustic because most of the customers want a rustic wood.
This line we're going to take a look at today is called Winter Stone. Now, American Wonder Porcelain has done a really good job with this one. So this one has a really soft texture, and it has a linear look, which we're seeing a lot trending pretty hard right now. Now the technology is such that you can create really any natural stone pattern to where it looks very, very real and very realistic, and you might not know it's not natural stone by looking at it today.
The foundation of our success at American Wonder Porcelain is our employees and our customers. We are on track to grow our business, to bring more fabulous glazed porcelain products to the U.S. market.